Speak up English, the key to success.
Hey, Sarah. How was your day?
Hey, Jack. It was pretty good, thanks. How about you?
Can't complain. Hey, I've been thinking about something. How do you feel about incorporating more English into our daily conversations at home?
That sounds like a great idea, Jack. It would definitely help us practice and improve our English skills in a natural setting.
Exactly. Plus, it could be fun. We could learn new words and expressions from each other.
Totally. So, how do you suggest we start?
Well, what if we set aside some time each day to have English-only conversations? Like during dinner or while we're hanging out in the evenings.
I like that idea, Jack. It'll give us a chance to practice without any pressure.
Exactly. And we can choose different topics to talk about each day to keep things interesting.
Sounds good to me. We can talk about anything from our favorite movies and books to our weekend plans.
Absolutely. And we can even challenge each other with tongue twisters or riddles to keep things lighthearted and fun.
I can already imagine us trying to say those tricky phrases without stumbling.
It'll be hilarious, that's for sure. But it'll also help us improve our pronunciation and fluency.
Definitely. Plus, it'll create a supportive environment where we can learn from each other's mistakes and successes.
Exactly. So, what do you say, Sarah? Ready to embark on our daily English conversation journey at home?
Absolutely, Jack. I think it's a fantastic idea. Let's make it happen.
Awesome. Here's to many more lively and educational conversations in English.
Cheers to that, Jack. I'm excited to see how much we'll learn and grow together.
Good morning, Sarah. Ready to kick off our English conversations for the day?
Good morning, Jack. Absolutely, I've been looking forward to it. What's on the menu for today's topic?
How about we talk about our favorite travel destinations? Since we can't travel right now, it'll be fun to reminisce and dream about future adventures.
I love it. Okay, I'll start. One of my favorite travel destinations is Paris. The City of Lights has such a magical atmosphere, and the architecture is breathtaking.
Paris is amazing. The Eiffel Tower, the Louvre Museum, and those cozy cafes along the Seine River. It's a dream destination for sure.
Definitely. I can't wait to go back someday and explore even more of the city. How about you, Jack? What's your favorite travel destination?
That's a tough one. But I think I'd have to say Japan. The culture, the food, the cherry blossoms in spring. It's like stepping into a whole new world.
Japan sounds incredible. I've always wanted to visit Tokyo and experience the hustle and bustle of the city.
It's unlike anywhere else, Sarah. The energy is electric, and there's always something new and exciting to discover around every corner.
Wow, I'm getting more and more excited about visiting Japan someday. Thanks for sharing your experience, Jack.
Anytime, Sarah. That's the beauty of our English conversations at home. We get to share our passions and learn from each other's experiences.
Absolutely. It's like traveling the world from the comfort of our own kitchen. What a wonderful way to start the day.
Couldn't agree more, Sarah. Here's to many more engaging conversations and memorable moments in English.
Cheers to that, Jack. Let's keep the conversation going and the English flowing.
Not too bad. I was thinking, since we're on the topic of daily English conversations, why don't we challenge ourselves with some tongue twisters tonight?
Oh boy, this should be interesting. Okay, I'm game. Hit me with your best tongue twister, Jack.
All right, let's start with this classic. She sells seashells by the seashore.
That's a good one. Okay, here's mine. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers.
Nicely done, Sarah. Now, let's try a tougher one. How could a clam cram in a clean cream can?
That's a tricky one, Jack. Okay, here's one for you. 6 slippery snails slid slowly seaward.
That's a tongue twister masterpiece, Sarah. Okay, one more for the road. Unique New York. New York's unique.
You nailed it, Jack. These tongue twisters are a great way to improve our pronunciation and have a good laugh at the same time.
Absolutely. It's all about having fun while learning. And I think we've definitely mastered the art of tongue twisters tonight.
I couldn't agree more, Jack. Our English conversations at home just keep getting better and better.
Definitely, Sarah. I'm grateful for these moments we share together. It's not only helping us improve our English but also strengthening our bond as friends.
Absolutely, Jack. Here's to many more lively conversations, laughter, and learning experiences in English.
Cheers to that, Sarah. Let's keep the momentum going and continue our journey of language learning and friendship.